Anoche fue la recepción por mi expo con título Canciones de la Calle en la ciudad de Fort Worth. Last night I had the reception for my solo show at the Basement Lounge in Fort Worth. It reminded me of the importance of personal connection, of having conversations and exchanging ideas with my friends. That was the most fun part of the evening. So today, I'm right back in the studio, preparing the last works for my solo show coming up next weekend here in Dallas. Chilango is a word of uncertain origin, possibly coming from the Mayan chilan, meaning frizzy or fluffy hair. Se refiere a alguien de la Ciudad de México. Now it is used to describe people from Mexico City, or those who have moved to the city and become a part of its fabric. It was originally pejorative, but has been picked up and used with pride by inhabitants there. So I'm taking on those two words, Chilangringo, as a way to describe myself. Living in the city has changed me. You know the drill. Las obras en mi expo Chilangringo representan 2 años y medio de mi producción en la ciudad. The works you see here in my show are from the last 2.5 years of my production for my studio in Mexico City. The installation is designed so that it reads as though you're walking along the sidewalk of the city. And you have the textures and images on the walls behind you. I'm using the hashtag Chilangringo for those who want to take a selfie and transport themselves to the sidewalks of the city.
Nas is here tonight. Represent. Hell of a show breaking barriers, right, of what the human mind has in concepts of what life is, right? And so that by itself is the macro, micro, and it's a whole existence, and you just did it right? You know how much work went into it. But you collage all the, you see what I'm saying? All that work, all that energy, all that time, all those voices, all those emotions, all those feelings. You can just collage that within one piece and it came one structure.
Yeah, and it has the potential just to be expansive.
I mean, just by itself is a piece.
Yeah, exactly. So come over and take a selfie with me.
All right.
The textures on the buildings and walls. Algunos antiguo, otro colonial, y a veces moderno.